Do you guys like my coffee section over there? Yeah? Which mug is your favorite? Demon. Is that real life?
We found this cat in the dog food.
Hey, buddy. Oh, you like that? You like that?
Meow. Meow.
Ma'am, we'd like to call you concerning your car's extended warranty. Ma'am.
Corruptly abusing his office for his personal political gain here, trying to pressure.
Come on.
What's her name?
Fatty. But her real name's Ash. Because, you know, she's great, like Ash. But she's so fat.
Stop
Call her Fatty.
Stop calling her Fatty.
Look, get the angle, man. Zoom out. That's a fat cat.
No. It's cool.
I wish I had a handsome ginger man to come give me a kiss. If only I could find one.
He hate when I touch his stuff. He on another cat tree. But just because I'm touching this one, he about to get irritated and come over here. I'm touching his stuff. I'm touching his stuff. I'm touching. Oh!
Look at all these dumpster cats. Like, look at them. They're all just... You look like you don't have a single thought behind them eyes.
Kitten, be careful. Oh my god.
Ой, блядь, извините. I found from my taser before I got my gun? Sorry.
Mowgli, drop the rat. God damn it. Quit bringing birds in here.
No!
Thank you so much.
Oh. Can I see it? Why did you print this?
Loaf, 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 loaf.
Oh, you're awake. Well, your teeth are finished, and your gums should be here by the end of the
Where's
week.
my dick at? Where?
You're asking for trouble. Just sit there, see what he does.
He bites me when I sit here. Is what happens. I'm watching the ball game.
Why are you up?
I gotta go to the bathroom real bad with spicy diarrhea.
Where's the serotonin, you bitch?
That's suspicious.
Django, you want quesadillas?
SpongeBob, SpongeBob, Patrick.
Okay, step 1, you have to touch the belly, and then you have to pet the cat. From there, you immediately have to start patting. Pat until the cat turns around to bite you, and then push it over. This disables the kill drive. And once those steps are completed, you are free to belly rub. I have tested this on every cat, including your cat. You're welcome.
You gotta ring out your cat.
Zig. Hey, Ziggy. Why'd you poop on the floor? You're not in trouble, I'm just...
Alright,
there is your cards. What is there a ton of in heaven? That one? No.
Give her some space. I get that you I get you love her, but she needs space.
Come on, let's show the people that we have a nice, loving relationship out. Love you.
Something doesn't feel right. Sorry. Looks like this is it for me.
Truck out to you.
No, no, you stop. That's my food.
Did you get it?
東方丈介、お前はこの西村奥安のザ・ハンドが消す。
It's okay. It's okay. Yes, close the door. Close the door. Tell him out.
I'm coming into the bedroom. I hope there's nobody posing seductively on my bed. Oh my god.
Bark at your cat, then meow and see their reaction.
Excuse me, I brush my teeth in that sink. Seriously?
Don't stick your fingers in there. Wait. What you do? Oh, what a That's my paper. Wait, no, get your hands out of there. Go away.
Yep, sometimes I gotta beat the ladies off with a stick. Back, woman! Back us!
So, sorry if this is the wrong time, but I need a shite.
I'm a baby kitty and I gave my mommy a whisker. I go top with you, boink.
Meow! 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 Meow!